In this video, I'll demonstrate on how to create and embed a Google slide and embed it on your homepage. So this is a sample of what a slide looks like from the homepage. So first requirement is that you need to have a Google account because you need to create the slides through Google Slide. All right. Now from here, you can create your slides. Once you are done, go to File. Okay. From here, you need to publish. Okay. Publish to website. Go to Embed. Select the values. Also the size. So let's say I'll create a medium size. It's different from what we see from here. This is a small size slide. All right. So once you are okay, so let's unpublish first. All right. So this is how you see it by default. When you publish, it will create a code. What you need to do is copy the code. Okay. Go to homepage. You need to use a text layout. So let's erase this one. All right. From the drop down, select text. Okay. So from here, click on this icon. Select embed. Paste the code that you got from the slide. Okay. Click on OK. All right. So now we have embedded the slide from Google Slide to home to your home page. Now let's save that and look how it is displayed from the home page. As you can see, there's a frame, and the next part of the video I'll discuss on how to remove the frame and do some final touches. All right. So from the home page section, you can select the frame. Okay. So Control A from your keyboard. And if you want to center it or right align it, you may do so by clicking on this icon. So I'll do uh, right align to center. Okay. Now next is we want to remove the frame of Google Slides. So go here, go back, and on the source, what you need to do is add this code. Okay. So copy that and paste it at the end. Click on OK, and you'll see that it will change, and there is no frame anymore. So you can go ahead and save and check the output on your website. Now, we can do some more final touches. So click on the file. Okay. Now click on the source code. So from here, what we are going to do is insert this lines of code. Okay. So width is 100. Okay. Margin to the right, let's say -5. Margin from top is -5. Okay. So when doing some final touches, you will have to adjust or do some trial and error up until you like the output of the frame. Okay, so let's click on OK. Okay, so what happened is that it shrunk. So let's adjust. All right, so I've made a couple of adjustments. So for the first line, so if you want to remove the black area or the background of the frame, you need to experiment on the value for the width, okay, and the height. So for your reference, you can make it smaller than the actual frame itself. So the frame is the one with the background, right? So the current frame is 960. So what I did was to make the image smaller than, make the frame smaller than the slide. So the black part won't show on the image. So the image is, or the file is now 555. So it covers the width, left and right. Now, to remove the black part on top, so what I did is to make the image bigger than the frame. So the frame is 540. So what I did was to move the file zoomed in. So 555. So you need to experiment on the slide and the code itself and up until you get the desired output. Okay. So when you click on OK here, you'll see that it will update. And if you are happy with it, you click on save. Right. So let's check it from the home page. All right. So this is how it looks like from the home page, and it scrolls. You can adjust the speed of the slide by adjusting the milliseconds here. If you want it faster, then adjust it to a smaller value. There. All right. So additional formatting. So if that is an image and you want to um, redirect the user to a certain page, then what you need to do is just go to the page that you want them to be redirected to. So let's say I want them redirected here. So copy the URL from here, select the frame itself, and then embed the link. Okay, give it a title. So let's say click on OK. Hit save. Okay, and let's just check again. Source. All right, so embedding a link, it's a bit tricky. So you can't do it from here. What you need to do is go to your slide. Okay. So from here, you need to select the image. So if you have an image, so from here, click on insert, then link, and then paste the link at the bottom and apply. Now, here's the result of the link that I have created. Okay. So the image is now a link. When you click on it, it redirects to the page that you have nominated. So that is the demonstration on how you can create a slide, publish the slide, embed it onto your website, and do some final touches or editing. Let us know if you have any questions.